Hey friends, if System Restore is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So when we search for recovery and open the recovery window, it is not necessary that we would have a System Restore point in place. And if that's the case, then go to Configure System Restore. Click on Configure, make sure that it is switched at Turn on System Protection. Click on Apply and then on OK and create a restore point for future requirements, because if you didn't have the store point earlier, it wouldn't work. Now once this is sorted out, here's what you can do. You can right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, scroll down, select recovery, click on reset PC, reset it, and keep my files, so remove everything, your choice, and then do a cloud download. The reason is that if system restore is not working, there's nothing else that you can do about recovering from a bad situation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.